Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something interesting. This is Norita with their Tempura Udon Shrimp Soy Sauce Noodle Soup. This was found at a Dollar Tree store while I was looking for something else. There's that fill line right there. Quick and easy. That's what it says. Quick and easy. And then it says here, Tempura Udon. Just add seasoning packets. There's only one. And boiling water. Stand for 10 to 12 minutes or add your favorite topping cooked vegetables. You may taste and adjust the seasonings. Enjoy your meal. Delicious udon noodle soup cooking instructions. Remove lid halfway. Add seasoning packet. Add boiling water to outside fill line. Let stand for 10 to 12 minutes. Stir well and enjoy. So I can either add my garnish and just call it good, or I can add water and I can let it steep for 10 to 12 minutes. I think that's not exactly what they meant to say, but the package design on this, or the labeling, is ridiculous. But they do have a tonkatsu, which is incredibly good, and it comes from Thailand is where it's made. Not the standard locale for a tonkatsu, I will say that much, but that one was really quite nice. So we're adding our seasoning. There does appear to be bits in with the seasoning. I'm just gonna give it a little flippy-do there. All right. And we're gonna fill it to the line. I really gotta get this started if I'm gonna have lunch done in time. All right. And water to the line. Right about there. Okay. Ow. Ladies and gentlemen, ladles and gentlemen, I just poured, I'm wearing shorts, as I often do, and I just poured a couple drops of boiling water right on my leg. I said ow, but I didn't really mean it. I'm the god of ramen. I really can't get fazed by getting boiling water on myself. I did hurt for a second. I'll admit it. There, we'll kind of cap it off like that, and we got to find something to do because I don't want to just yammer and bore you for 12 minutes. What can we do? What do you want to do? Let's go do something. I could show you junk on the fridge. I need to shave my head. I could do that, but that's kind of lame. I went ahead and I got one of those little things that you go like, and they have the horrible TV commercials for these dudes like going, oh, yeah, while they're like running a little hockey puck over their head. I got one of those. It's fun. I'll admit it. I like it. What do we do? I can give you some kind of tour. Yeah, let's walk around. It's gonna, I mean, we got like time. So that's my stove. And here's the arcade machine, which I've showed you before. You could watch me play video games, but that's kind of like ridiculous. There's we've got a group called Buy Nothing Kenmore, and I scored this off of there. It had a big bulky adapter, and it does have little lights, but I snipped the adapter because I'm never plugging this thing in. But that's That's a Star Trek Wrath of Khan one. And that thing is rad. My sister gave me that for Christmas. She's had it for years. It's a Star Trek Next Generation shuttlecraft, and it's full of floppy disks. Like, yeah. And this is where I take the pretty pictures, if you're wondering. There's the hand. The plants. Oh, are these coming out? Look! One of them's bloomed. Wow. This is a plant my daughter brought home from school. Wow, that's really neat. They're actually starting to bloom. She's had it, it's been here, and my wife's been watering it for like over a year, and it's finally doing things. So that thing right in front of you that looks like a telephone that has a piece of glass on it, that is the RPFD. That's the ramen packaging flattening device. So what I'll do is I'll get a pack of instant noodles, and I need to scan the package. Well, I put that on the bed of the scanner, and yeah. When I take pictures of the packaging, there we go. That's my DSLR camera. This thing is called a copy stand. Alexa, stage on. No, she didn't want to listen. Alexa, stage on. So see, I can turn it on. I use the doohickey over here, this little thing, and you can turn each individual light off, and then, yeah. Alexa, stage off. So, that's cool. There's an enormous structure that my son Miles has built. This is the fascinating thing. I got this at the thrift store, and I have no idea what it is or what it would be called. I've seen them on, I looked all over the internet, and I found a few of them. What's weird is like the inside of it, it's like it's felted. And then we got sunglasses, and then this other interesting thing that when you tip it over and shake it around, it goes ding, 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 ding. So yeah, that is a little doll thing my buddy Matt got for my daughter. This is our shrine to the San Francisco Giants. This is what tortures people when they enter. Well, I mean, the art's fine, but there's like me on some posters for companies that are now defunct. Yeah. Miles has become quite the Giants fan. So as you can see, he's got his birthday banner with Giants people on it, and our favorite announcer, John Miller. Yeah. All our autographs. The room where my wife is. She has a gig, and she works from home. And the wall, I've got my collection of timers that work and don't work. This right here you might find interesting. This is a box of instant noodles with this big puffy faced picture of me. That was gonna be my instant noodle, and they made a few of them. The box was made like crap. The guy who did all this stuff with it, he ended up being a scammer and scammed a guy out of a lot of money doing that. So that's really crummy. But yeah, I need to get a new lantern. It's getting dusty. It's really dusty. That's gross. My apologies. Here's the outer world right now. It's rather hazy. It's probably like getting close to 90 at this point. That lantern up there, it's paper. It came from a company in Singapore, kindly, and thank you if you're watching this. And it's been out there forever now, but it's made of paper. It's gotten rained on. It's been like hot, cold, rain, sun. I'm curious how much more time we got here. Well, we've still got five minutes. Wow. What else can I show you? There's got to be more. More interesting things. Lots of Cheez-Its. My son eats, his primary diet is of Cheez-Its. Keyboard. Fun stuff. Some waving cats. More waving cats. Some waving, some not. Yeah. I guess we'll just come back over here. I wasn't really prepared with what kind of interesting things to show you, but that's kind of what I got for now. So that killed a little bit of time. But yeah, it's, what day is it? It's Friday. So that's cool. Looking forward to it being Saturday. And what time is it now? 12:11. So she gets off for her lunch at 12:45. She exits the room in a magnificent manner. And I've got an air fryer. In fact, we inherited an air fryer from her folks. And I take a tortilla. I put a slice of ham on it. I put 2 slices of different cheeses upon it. I take 2 slices of, Clausen sandwich slices, pickles, and then I roll it up and I throw it in the air fryer for around 4 minutes. She really likes it, so. It's really good. I never make that for myself. I just make a sandwich. I wonder how this is coming along. It's pretty, oh whoa. It's really ridiculous that it would actually take 10 to 12 minutes. I figured 12 minutes is a safe, wow, these noodles are freaking thick. I figured it was the best route would be to go to 12 minutes because it's like, I have a feeling, wow, and it's sucking up a ton of broth. See, I don't want these noodles to be half cooked. I don't know. It's funny though, quick and easy. It's like 12 minutes is a lot when it really comes right down to it. For an instant, the last one I did was the rice vermicelli, and it was only 3. 12? Wow. I mean, I gotta run around and find stuff to show you. 12. Christ. Yeah, we only got 2 minutes. You're good. Just stay where you are. Just keep doing what you're doing. New Year's resolutions. I don't know. More. Good. More good. I usually don't think about New Year's resolutions in September, but considering that's where you're at in your temporal universe, yeah, I'm an echo of the past. It's September 6th today. God only knows what's going on. Wow. I've got a box of 7 Japanese varieties. I'll probably do a lot of those next week. And then I'll probably run around and see if I can find some more varieties. And before you know it, I'll be doing a video that'll be coming out on Inauguration Day. I'm really into politics. I really like to follow it. I'm liberal. But there are certain things that I'm not into that are liberal. It's like, I'm more like my mom, I guess. I'm more of an independent, not a one-party or a one-issue voter, that's for damn sure. There are no deal breakers. There's compromise. Compromise is the spice of life. So, yeah, but I love to talk about politics. Whoever said that it's taboo to speak about religion or politics is crazy. It's like, oh, can't talk about philosophy either. Yeah. I think you should make a point of not talking about such things in an adversarial, confrontative way. I think that's important. But is that a thing in there? No. All right, it's been 12 minutes of you listening to me and looking around my house. here is what we ended up with. I will say that these are some pretty thick noodles. Thick noodles. Let's do another stir. There's a little bit of seaweed in here. Shrimp soy sauce noodle. So like I guess you would call that an ebi shoyu. I am very curious. If this is underdone, I'm going to be like, oh my god. The noodle's not bad. Let's give this broth a try. It's not bad. It's not like earth-shattering. It's not as good as other varieties that I've had of this company, and it's not as bad as other varieties I've had from this company. They're weird. I just gotta say, Norita is a trippy company. I think they just are kind of like Trader Joe's. I think they find product from different places and then do their own labeling, and I don't know. It's not bad. I'm not like thrilled. I'm not horrified. Let's do this up. Getting about time to make some lunch. Woo! Here's some chashu. Homemade freaking chashu. What do you think of that? Got that. I'm gonna torch this up a little bit. Oh. Were you not expecting that? A little bit of scallion for you. I think it's time for some Norita maki. A little bit of seed. And there you go. 12 minutes in. Holy crap. All right, well, that's it for me. Thank you for hanging out for 12 minutes to look at a weird bowl of instant noodles, but they're honestly not bad. So if you can find them at like a dollar store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Dollar, yeah, Dollar Rent-A-Car. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Miriam, and my favorite type of noodles is creamy chicken noodles, and I sometimes like egg on it, and I like Naruto with it, and cheese on top. It's my most favorite